So recently you've been bugging me about Far Cry 3 crashing with using my mods, but the reason is not because of my mod, but instead it's because the game itself has crashed, especially on Windows 11. And when you're using a mod, it requires more RAM, and it cannot get that much RAM, so it just crashes. It happens with texture mod, it happens with reshade if it's heavy. Now the way to fix it is downloading large address. So you're just gonna have to drag it in a folder, any folder, okay? So you're gonna get that from here. I'm gonna give you the link in the description. And it says that you don't really have to read all that, but what you have to read is that you need .NET Framework 3.5 from here, okay? Or you can just go here and then here it is. So I already have it, but if you don't, you just have to install that. After that, you'll open this and press yes. Now I'm gonna choose my game exe. In my case, I'm gonna open with this one because I need DirectX 9, but if you want to use DirectX 11, just open this one, either one of these. I've actually patched both of them, but I'm gonna just show you with this one. So double click on this, okay, check this one and then press save. Okay, and in case you don't believe me, I'm gonna show you using reshade and all that. So it's the text mod, here it is, and I'm also gonna be loading reshade. So let's wait until the game is loaded. Okay, so now I'm going to show you by pressing home. I'm going to press okay, here it is. So reshade is working and the texture is working too, so I'm going to jump into the game and show you if it actually works. And voila, so it is working. You can check out the texture in here, it is new. And if I go over here, that is new. And yeah, so it is working. If this fix works for you, make sure to subscribe and like the video. I'll see you later.